This is the SAP Developer News for July 25th, 2024.
Hello SAP developers. I'm sure by now you would have seen the new TechByte series on ABAP core data services. If not, here's a quick recap. Myself and developer advocate Sheena will walk you through the basics of ABAP CDS, covering the overview and key functionality, how a virtual element with complex logic can be created, extend a CDS view entity, restrict the data authorizations using CDS access control, govern the quality of CDS view using unit test, and troubleshooting tools available to analyze the data of CDS view. I will leave the link to the TechByte videos in the description. Not just that, the advanced features of ABAP CDS will be coming up. So, stay tuned.
First shipped earlier this year, we have the introduction of SAP Build Code. This is the AI-powered latest version of SAP's development environment based upon the SAP Business Application Studio. This month, we see enhancements to SAP Build Code, many of which are based right upon your feedback from initial use of Build Code. Most of the enhancements focus on the Joule AI integration. First of all, we've made it easier to get to the Joule Assistant from within the storyboard and the graphical navigation tools of the CAP Designer itself. The part that I'm most excited about is originally Joule integration in SAP Build Code was really focused on creating new CAP entities, so very useful when you're first starting your project. But we've heard your feedback and we've added a lot of new functionality that also lets you alter an existing CAP data model. So you can add new entities, add or remove associations, and make these changes to an existing model, all using the same AI assistant that you've been using to start your projects. In addition to this major enhancement for the AI capabilities, we also see the addition of guided assistant for Fiori development, as well as a new graphical HTTP grants editor as well. So be sure to check out all the latest enhancements to SAP Build Code with the link in the show notes to the blog post that details them.
The SAP Developer Challenge this month is well underway. The challenge is called Reverse APIs, and it's all about you creating CAP-based services and API endpoints for us to call and validate. We're about 3/4 of the way through the challenge. There are 12 tasks altogether, so it sounds about right for this time of the month. So far, we've been digging into defining and implementing actions and functions in a couple of simple services across the REST protocol and the OData protocol adapters. And now we're moving more into a sort of Northwind-based service scenario where we can try and flex our OData muscles a bit more. It's not too late to get started. There's plenty of discussion and help in the SAP community platform for each of the tasks, so what are you waiting for? Head over to the SAP community, the blog post link is in the description, and get going.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the SAP Developer News. The UI5 team just released version 4 of the UI5 Tooling, which comes with some handy new features as well as paving the road for UI5 version 2.x, which is still in the works, but hopefully available soon. One of the new features is that the tooling can now generate the supported locales property of the manifest.json, so no more ugly 404s in production. Check out the blog post linked in the description for more information. On a related note, we would like to point your attention to the recordings of CodeConnect. They're now available on YouTube. So for UI5Con Recap and ABAPConf, there are a lot of recordings available so you can check out the sessions on YouTube in your own time. Use the summer break wisely. All right, hope to see you soon, and bye.
I wanted to draw your attention to the recent series of YouTube shorts all with the tag Good to Know. These are created by our fellow developer advocate, DJ Adams, and look at the basics of the SAP Cloud Application Programming Model. But they do it in short 60-second chunks and all formatted for easy consumption on a mobile device. This makes it easy to learn on the go, or just for those of you looking for some basic but great CAP knowledge that you can consume in small bite-sized chunks. In the most recent episode, DJ talks about many-to-many associations in the Cloud Application Programming Model. It's a concept that I thought would be difficult to explain and understand in 60 seconds, but DJ does a perfect job of it. So be sure to check out that latest video and the entire Good to Know series if you want to learn more about the SAP Cloud Application Programming Model.